Galing naman ni Jules.
Request back. Careful!
Tara,
The enemy is missing.
I'm definitely not a crybaby.
Ang daya naman ito. Let's go. At ayaw mag...
Your team destroyed the turret.
You know, go deeply connected.
Nakapangalan mo ulit, Jules? Denver Gonzalo. Pasali po. Let's go, Denver! Tara, open ka! Type natin saglit, mga kababayan. Let's go. May sa ating 3 viewers, maraming salamat everybody. Halo na naman ata tayo.
An ally has been slain.
Let fate make the first move. But don't lose.
So, let's go. Bakit? Ano na naman tayo? Tayo doon. Balik pa tayo doon. Viewer, okay lang. Magta-try lang ako sa MN. Iiwanan na kita, di ka naman sumusuporta sa akin eh. Yan. Natin yan.
An enemy has been slain.
Last game na natin to eh. Tumoy na yan. Ang sakit naman ng hero na yon. Sino ba naman yon?
Tread carefully in enemy territory. Suppression!
Mia. Hana.
Give me a target. Please pick a hero.
Everybody. Tara. Ito yung makapagsalita na maayos ngayon eh. Tapos nakaano pa yung ano natin. Okay. Find a match. Ang sakit naman nun.
Ally has been slain. Double kill.
Grabe ang hirap. Wala ko, di pa mamamatay. After nito, last game tayo. Anyway. Hello everybody. Welcome. Wala yung live natin. Patay ako. Ano ba yan?
We always pay.
Same pa rin tayo, same pa rin. Oy, Legend 4 na siya. Syempre, pag hindi kita kasama sa rank, for content lang to eh, for content. Lagot kayo. Wala nagbabantay sa ano, sa mid lane. Iano natin to mid lane.
Only fight battles. you will
Ipupush na
win.
natin to. Wala nagbabantay dito eh.
Request battle.
Boring.
Nandito yung
I don't want to grow up.
Some choices.
Turn to pick heroes.
Oh, inaantok na ako.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Nice.
An enemy has been slain.
Finding a worthy opponent brings me immense joy.
Hoy! Let's go. Sugod mga kapatid. Out na boy. Oh, pwede yan, pwede. Nice one. O sige, boy. Muntikan pa nga. Yun lang, sakit. Grabe.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Blackstone.
Ginagawa ko
Mega
eh.
kill!
Ang ingay. Ang ginagawa niya, bakit siya nagpapakamatay naman?
You will join me in the event.
Let's go. May sa ating 3 viewers, maraming salamat every. Yan. Nandun sila sa may top 8
Been
lahat.
destroyed.
Sige, bahala muna kayo dyan.
Eastern wind. Hi.
Your team is banning.
Apat pala yung iba na ngayon. Eh, apat na pala siya. So,
I hear your plea. Our high ground tower is under attack.
talalala. Patay ako, nice one! Ano ko, yung third skill, mali tayo nang napindot doon. Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit ang tagal ko level 4? Level 4 na pala ako.
It's time to go to the
The
Avatar
enemy is
show.
here.
Tayo,
Some
oh.
fun.
Tingnan nyo. Kaya natin yan. Hello sa ating 4 viewers. Thank you so much for joining us.
I
Tonight,
do
ladies
what I
and
Your
want
team
to
is
do.
picking.
Nice one. Patay na yan. Ubus kayo dyan. Nice one. Double kill. Wow. Kita pa naman yung performance ko, di ba? Ganun pa rin yung gagamitin natin for ano yun eh. Panalo pa rin to, panalo. Auto pick room. Let's go. Oy, 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 oy.
Ally has been slain.
Uy, andito sila. Patay na yan. Bakit kayo nandyan? Naku po. Hala, kami pa patay.
There's a fine line between surprise and shock.
It's a farm. Andy, let's go. 1324. 1. Yung ay, wala ba tayong ano? Wala,
Let me show you some magic.
parang hindi.
Gather up the turtle!
Let's go, let's go.
We can be.
Boy. Sige, sige. Patay na yan. Nice one, nice one. Natin eh. Alam, mag-aakot muna tayo ng mga viewers, saka na tayo mag-tournament. Good evening, good evening. Maraming salamat sa mga nandyan.
Immense joy.
Masakit, masakit. Pamamatay. Lalalala, sakit ng ano? Nova. Yan na sa ating 3 viewers. Thank you so much. Yan o. Pwede yan o. Uy, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Tara, 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 tara. Pasok, pasok. Tara, tara, tara. Tara! Ako po! Ang galing naman nun. Ang galing naman ng
I should have chosen a game that
combination
wouldn't
nila.
hurt me.
Let's go. Bawal sumigaw, bawal sumigaw. Yan, sige. Iharas niyo yan dyan. Iharas niyo dyan.
Your team
Nice
has
one.
destroyed.
Win streak na naman. Ang kaka-bad trip naman. Kaka-ano naman to? Kaka-boring naman ito. Win streak na naman tayo. Yan. Ang gagaling. Let's go, push. Yan, push na. Hoy! Baka may pwede pa tayong pag-share nito. Let's go. Baka meron pa tayong pwede pag-share ng ano. Lagi na sa akin na yan! Wala! Naunahan pa ako! Ano na yan? Wala na yung retrigger natin. Sige, atras. Nice one, Venera.
Shut down.
No.
There's always a way out of every precarious situation. To the center point. Ladder. Interweaving yin and yang. Attack! Suppression.
Nice one.
Finding a weak opponent brings me immense joy.
Uy, bakit ka pumasok po? Patay ka na.
Has been slain. Enemy killing spree.
Suppression.
Papasok ka pa. Nice one. Patay ka.
Black stones represent the unpredictable night. White stones represent the eternal stars. Suppression.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
In enemy territory. Interweaving yin and yang.
Uy, bakit ka pumasok? Nice one. Nice one. Nice one, baby. Nice one, baby. Bakit kayo pumapasok? Bakit kayo pumapasok? Uy. Nice one.
If I kill you, I'll be upset about it.
Ladder.
We always pay a
A
price.
decisive blow.
Mga po, patay na kayo. Nice one. Nice one. Wala na yan, no? Patay na yan, no?
Pretty.
Your team has
Ikaw
destroyed a
matapos
turret.
tapos, okay na yan. Oh, nice one.
Ally has been slain.
Nice game. Nice game. Bukas ulit. Nice game everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, bang bang. Wala dito mga kababayan, nandito. Sige, pwede, okay lang. Nice one! Bakit ka nandyan? Ubos kayo, ubos. Ayun, nice one. Nice one.
Enemy has been slain.
O sige.
Our turret has been slain.